Alright guys, good morning. Kahit medyo tanghali na, no? So, andito tayo sa Pulang-Bato Port, which is somewhere at the end point. If I'm not mistaken, east or west point of Cebu. Yeah. So from Matnog, umalis siya ng almost 1 a.m. na eh. And then nakarating siya dito ng 11. So kayo na bahala dyan. Well, ang original na plano ko talaga is tawid pa ako ng Samar, then Tacloban, Leyte, and then either Baybay or Hilongos. But then again, I was too tired na kagabi, so I decided to go straight na lang here sa Cebu. Anyways, konti lang naman ang difference since magdadalawang tawid ka if ever magano pa ako Leyte pa ako, no? So there, so samahan niyo ulit ako. Papunta tayo ng Cebu City. Gusto ko kumain ng gusto ko kumain ng fish eh. Punta sana ako ng Part Ebel eh. Doon talaga destination ko. So Cebu City, Part Ebel is 102 kilometers. It's like 2 hours, I guess. Yeah. So we're unloading from this Roro. Just waiting. So itong Roro na to, itong light ferries na to, no, mabilis siya compare sa ibang Roro na nasakyan ko, and malinis siya. Dami niya nasakay, no? Dami niya, no? Thank you, light ferries, for making our voyage safe. Alright, so welcome to Cebu City. Right. It's my second time here. Pulang-Bato. Always admire the place. Hindi pa to ganda nung una kong punta dito. Place is totally renovated. Wala pa yung passenger terminal na yan. Ito pa lang yung na yan. And let's go. Inantay ko mauna yung mga kotse kasi maalikabok. Welcome to Cebu City. Yeah. Hi. We are officially in Cebu. my goodness. I'm excited. Freaking excited. Oops. Ito. Gusto kong matry yung Partibel. Sabi daw kasi nila masarap daw dun. Yeah. So guys, dito sa Cebu, when I was a student, dito ako dito ako nag-intern eh. Cebu Doctors tsaka Vicente Soto. I was way back then. Although kailangan pa rin mag-waste kasi hindi ko naman siya talaga totally kabisado. Gusto ko pa sana mag-Oslob eh. Kaya lang pwede no, mag-Oslob na lang kaya ako. Cebu Gaming. How'd you like that? Yeah, baby! We're here in Cebu! Full tank pa tayo kasi nagpagas ako eh. Nagpagas ako sa nagpagas ako sa tawag na ito. Nagpagas ako sa Sorsogon. Buti ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Thank you Lord. Sobrang thank you talaga kasi ever since the first week of July talagang nag-uulan, and then I have some friends here in Cebu na I've been connecting with. Ang sabi nila maulan talaga dito bro. So I was thinking na patay basa tong basa tong magiging journey na to, itong ride na to. But then again, look at that. Look at the weather, man. It's so nice, di ba? I have a friend here in Cebu. Sabi niya sa akin, bro, it's always raining every day since June, since pumasok ang June. But then again, man, look at that, di ba? Ang na-experience ko lang na basa is yung dito banda sa may Quezon. Pero bro, patak-patak lang, di ba? I was really praying na aside from of course the safety and Lord's guidance, I was praying hard na please Lord, bigyan mo po ako ng magandang panahon for this journey. And look at that, man. Wow, thank you so much Lord. Diba? Oh, what a very good weather this is. Yeah. Thank you so much Lord for the guidance, for the presence of mind. So the last time I was here in Cebu City, wala akong anything wala akong maipakitang video. Kasi going home, you really want to go home, rest, ganyan. Again, this time we're still on our journey going back to Dipolog. It's really exciting, di ba? Yes! What's up? Thank you, City of Bugo. Thank you, City of Bugo. There. So Pulang-Bato Port ay nasa Bugo City. Hindi ko alam ano nasunod ng Bugo eh. So it's Saturday. The traffic is really not that bad. Hindi ko lang alam sa parting city na, no, or Cebu City proper kung traffic.
Ito, ano ba ito?
yun. Ano na to? Second one.
Turn left onto Road 6, then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.
Medyo